It was about biotech, XBI, and I was calling a bottom, showing a bar pattern that's been playing out back in 2020. Yeah, 2020, November of 2020. So I showed this bar pattern showing that we're about to have a huge increase for the next 3 months. This is in bar replay mode. And then on the right side is the current price action. So right here, this is XBI current price action. And you could see here that this portion of the price action right here, I was saying was this. You can watch the last video I posted, it's literally my first video that I've ever posted. And I was calling that we were right here. And then this portion of the bar pattern still has to play out. So I bought my call options right here. I bought $1,000 of Labu call options on the weekly. And they pumped up a ton today. So I was up like $880 at one point. But my limit order was set for $305, even though the premiums were at $3.98. So I only made $400 on the contracts instead of like $900, which I should have. But it's okay. I was holding shares too. I'm still in them. So still up 870 on the day. Not bad. But yeah, that was just a stupid mistake. I literally missed out on $500 for no reason. Literally just didn't have the correct limit order. So always make sure of that when you're doing that. I learned my lesson there, but I can't be too upset about being up, almost $1,000 on the day. But this is just the beginning. I mean, we have almost 1,000 on the day, and we still have all of this to go through. So the plan is to hold my majority of my account value in Labu, which we're doing right now, and then all the smaller movements that are going to be following the bar pattern, I'm going to be trading those with around, depending on the move and how confident I am, $500 to $1,000 on these call options. So we're going to be holding so we never miss out on the overall trend, and then scalping the ups and downs through the bar pattern. Like for example, right here is going to be perfect. Buying those call options as we're getting really close to the price, and this basically playing out again right here is going to reap a lot of profits. So I got out of price when it was like right here, and it went up a little bit higher, but I sold as if it was like right here, which is, it happens though. I can't be too upset about it. But why I wanted to make this video to show that the bar pattern is still playing out. It's literally playing out perfectly right now. XBI, to show you, because these colors are matching these ones perfectly. So we have the bottom here, and then the continuation above that downtrend right here, just like we had over here. Green circle is this. Black was right down here, that little double bottom that played out just like it did over here, and then we pumped up higher, and I attributed all of this to this. So we're moving a little bit quicker on this, so that's why I got to put this on the 30-minute and this one on the 1 hour. But this little V we had here was here, and then I attributed this to this consolidation, because we still did break to a lower low and then consolidated. And then I attributed this right here to this right here, which looked actually very similar, with this wick being a higher high, with this being a higher high. And then we dropped lower, and I entered my shares actually right here, but I entered the options right here. And then this morning was literally this right here. So we head up higher, came down a little bit, and then boom, the pump started. So if you're watching this now and you're late, it's fine. The other video, obviously it's my first video, it's not a lot of views at all, which it's no biggie. I'm kind of just posting these videos as validation and to show all of this is happening, and me calling it before it happens as kind of a way of showing that I do know what I'm doing here. But yeah, so this is going to continue playing out. The plan that I have in mind right now is we're going to wait for this consolidation to play out a little bit, which is going to play out like over here. And then this little drop that happens down, I might scalp some put options, but the main thing I'm waiting for is to catch the resumption right here. So I'm going to add to my shares a little bit, and then buy some call options, hold for a couple days, get out on the higher high. It won't follow it perfectly, but it's a higher high on here, so I'm just going to sell at a higher high after this consolidation here. And we're just going to hold the shares and trade the call options continuously. So that's the plan for XBI. I just wanted to go over that and show that it is playing out. The plan is playing out perfectly. And we got, I have it mapped out here, about 80 days, 80 more days of this playing out. And my price target, I did some averages comparing the price percentages here to over here, and I came out to this price up here. So 95.80 basically is where I'd be looking to get out, and then Labu, being a 3x leveraged bull ETF of this, will be up 110%. So this is a really lucrative opportunity. I'm just going to keep posting trades that are playing out similarly, and then like my daily plans or weekly plans for this setup. But yeah, so the next video I'm going to be posting is for the BTC macro cycle and the plan for that.